Hi guys, Lee here from Trading College with your weekly look at the markets. We're going to dive into the euro dollar, we're going to look at the pound Australian dollar, we're going to look at gold as well. Before I do that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel guys and give the video a likes up if you enjoy it at the end. Okay, let's take a look at the euro dollar. Now, as I said on previous videos, don't forget to look at the monthly chart. As somebody who's swing trading, position trading, I want to look at that monthly because that is that dominant time frame. You can see the euro dollar here is getting absolutely annihilated. The dollar is strengthening against the euro. We had sell signals at 117 and we are trading right at its lows as of today, which is the 16th of November. Let's dive into the smaller time frames. This is where we get our entries and our precision position in this trade, and you see the euro here where the sell signal at 115.73 on the daily, stop up at these highs here, swing high, and today we're reaching that 113.63. We may bounce here this Tuesday, we may do, but it just looks like it wants to sell off even harder, and that really is because of the dollar index. Let's have a little look at the US dollar basket here. It's been really strong, pushing up, nice green pro trend system buys, nice momentum trigger. If you look at the monthly time frame, you know, we've been long and strong since the August, which obviously is the opposite to the euro dollar here. So dollar basket's been really strong. Now people talk about the dollar doing the opposite to gold, and we see the dollar go higher, we normally see gold go lower, but we're not seeing that at all. We're seeing a breakout on the monthly chart of gold, and on the daily time frame we've had long buy signals from 1,800 and what is it, 810. So we're up to 1850. That target got hit. We got another target here for gold is 119.10. Will we get there? I don't know, but that's where we're shooting for on the gold market. Now, one market that's just about, and I think it's a little bit of a, let's just see, because it's a little bit of a counter trend trade, but I want to take a little look at the pound Aussie, and I want to sort of just give you my views on this. Now, we've had a very nice topping pattern here at 191, sold off, little rally, and then new sell signals, which we had about 188. We came all the way down. That was a very big move down to 182. We've had this little rally, a little fake out lower here. Now, I didn't take this short signal. We had the momentum on the storyteller rising as I got that short signal. So I'm just looking at the pound Aussie here to see if we get a green PTS. Now, if we get a green PTS, we could get up to 186. So just keep your eye on that, guys. That's a market that is very strong this morning. We've been looking at that for a while now. Now, we've got a trend line on the daily running down the highs, and this trend line comes into 186 zone. We've got every chance to get up to 186 on the pound Australian dollar. Now let's go down to the smaller time frames. We're looking at the 4-hour chart here. We've got a nice pro trend system buy at 183.20 zone. So that's pushing up very nicely indeed. Let's see if we can start to get up to that major trend line. Keep your eye on the pound Aussie. It's a market that I'm sort of looking at and keep my eye on because it's got plenty of risk reward here. We could certainly see something bigger, because if you look at the monthly chart on this market, the candlestick hasn't closed yet because it's, you know, we've still got a long way to go to the end of this month. This candlestick is open and live. We've got this trend line running under the lows here. We've got this trend line running down the highs. So we've got a triangle pattern, and for me, you know, triangle is an exciting pattern to trade because once we get to the apex of this triangle, we could bust out. Could be a really big move. Big move means big potential profits. We could also drop lower from that triangle as well. So this is a market to keep your eye on. You've got to be patient with it, but it's one of those markets that I am watching and seeing whether we can get some buy signals on the pro trading system, guys. All right. So if we get a nice green pro trading system up here in the next few days, then the PTS will give you its parameters, set its targets, its stops, and trading stop and so on. All right, so watching that, we're very much interested in this at Trading College with our members. We've been watching this for the last couple of weeks to see if we do get this continuation or this buy signal from this market. Hope it helps, guys. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and you'll get these updates on what we're looking at every single week. Take care now. Bye-bye.